Welcome to the video. So as you guys voted on my Instagram story the other week for me to do a budget meal prep video, this is it. For the first meal here, what we got is 3 large eggs, which are 14 cents a piece when you buy the 18 pack of eggs. So that's 42 cents. So in the oatmeal, we have 60 grams of oats, which was 13 cents. Half a cup of 2% milk, which is 10 cents. And then I put in another 2 to 4 ounces of water just for some free liquid because hey, budget, we're budgeting. Then 2 tablespoons of peanut butter is 17 cents and 1 banana was 12 cents. Based on the bunch that I bought of bananas, I got 5 of them for 60 cents. So that was 12 cents. And the total cost of this meal is 94 cents. 94 cents for all of this. And the macros for this meal, 675 calories, 36 grams of protein, 78 grams carbs, and 27 grams of fat. So it's not super high on the protein side, but if you know me, I like to put protein powder into my oatmeal quite often. So that's another route I could go. I calculated how much 1 scoop of protein costs, and it's around $1.33. So I'm trying to be as budget focused as I possibly can. So this is meal 1, like I said, 675 calories. I'm gonna eat this, I'm gonna go work out, and then I have 2 other meals for you guys later today. So 94 cents, there's your breakfast. Just got done with my leg day, and now time to eat meal 2 of the day. So it's very simple, 4 ingredients. We got chicken breast, potatoes, green beans, and there's a little bit of olive oil. As far as chicken breast goes, that's one of the cheapest protein sources there is, if not the cheapest. And at Walmart, it's typically always $1.99 a pound. So 8 ounces here, which is $1. And then the green beans were $1.78 a pound, and I have 6 ounces on this plate, so that was 67 cents. Russet potatoes, the more you buy, the cheaper it is per pound. So I'm basing it off of the big boy. You could get a 5-pounder, but you're paying more per pound or per ounce that way. So I have 300 grams of potatoes, which ends up being 33 cents. And then olive oil, I used half a tablespoon, and that is around 8 cents. So the total for this entire dang meal is $2.08. Not that bad at all. $2.08 for this much food. So it's gonna be pretty dang filling too. The macronutrients for this meal are 592 calories, 57 grams of protein, 65 grams of carbs, and 13 grams of fat. So one thing I want to make clear too is that I'm not including the seasonings into the price, because we should all at least, well, I hope you at least have like salt and pepper. Seasonings, if you get them, they last forever. You could get like garlic salt for $1 at Walmart and it'll last a long time. I'm not gonna like weigh it out and figure out, okay, $1 divided by 400 or something like that. Very minimal. It's just a one-time upfront cost that will last a long time. So that's why I'm not including the seasonings in the prices. So that's meal 2. I'm gonna inhale this, and then I'll show you guys the final meal of the day. $2.08 for this bad boy. For the third and final meal of this video, we have shredded pork loin filet here, and what was really nice about it was that it was pre-marinated, so I didn't have to use any of my seasonings, and I just threw it in the crock pot and let it cook for hours, and then just shreds apart. Super easy. And then we have candied apples, which the recipe's on my website. It's basically brown sugar, cinnamon, a little bit of butter, and apples. And it's amazing. Pork and apples go so well together, in my opinion. And then basic rice. As far as the cost for this meal, for the pork loin filet, it was $3.12 a pound. This is 8 ounces, so that was $1.56. I was gonna use chicken again because that is easily the cheapest protein source there is as far as like meat goes. But I wanted to give you guys a little bit of variety. And then for rice, per 1/4 cup, it is 9 cents. This is what I got. 20-pound bag of basmati rice for $18.52, which is 200 servings. And that comes out to 9 cents for a 1/4 cup or 45 grams, same thing. We got butter, which was super cheap. I bought a pound of butter, 4 sticks. And it's 9 cents per tablespoon, but since I used 1 tablespoon in that entire batch of apples, I divided it by 5 because that was 5 meals worth of apples. And that ended up being 2 cents. 2 cents for 1/5 of a tablespoon of butter. For the apples, I bought a 3-pound bag of Granny Smith apples, and there were 10 apples in there, and I used 5 of them. So I divided that price by 2 and then divided by 5 because yeah, math. So that was 45 cents per apple, and this is 1 apple's worth. And then brown sugar, honestly this was basically 0 because I had a 2-pound bag and it was $1.69, and I used 2.7 grams. I just rounded up to 1 cent for you guys, and the total cost for this meal is $2.13. And the macros for this final meal are 671 calories, 41 grams of protein, 65 grams of carbs, and 26 grams of fat. So after calculating it, all 3 of these meals would cost you a total of $5.15. So there's absolutely no reason why you can't eat for less than $10 a day. And that's with getting in like high quality stuff, because I could have just got like canned certain foods, but this was all like fresh stuff. That's gonna wrap up the video for today. Thank you guys for watching so much. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun jazzy stuff. But remember, you're never off track. There's always something you can do to support your health and fitness. So cheers.